Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to book a flight online on Turkish Airlines. To book an online flight, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you could either use an application or you could also use a browser. So I'm gonna use a browser and type in Turkish Airlines homepage. You could also type in book a flight. And when you do that, you could find the first link. You could just go and press on the link. Next thing, you'll be able to see this sort of page. So here you go ahead and click on flight. Now here you want to go ahead and select whether it's one-way round trip, multi-city, or stopover in Istanbul. Now select one way, let's say according to it, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in my destination. So this will be my destination, and next thing you want to do is choose a booking and click the continue button. After that, go ahead and make sure whether it's adult, you have children, whatever, all of that, and click the continue button. Here you could go ahead and click on the arrow icon and search for the flight. Once you do it so, you'll be able to see a list of flight that appears, or you just have to go ahead and select the flight that you want to book, and that way you'll be able to book a flight online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.